It's 1 a.m. You're lying in bed, the blue light from your phone hitting your face. You scroll past a former classmate's promotion, a friend's new apartment, a perfect relationship, and deep down, it hurts. You look around your dark room and feel like a ghost in your own story. You feel like you're already behind in life, while everyone else is buying houses and starting businesses. But here is the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. Your life in 2026 won't change because of luck or a sudden viral breakthrough. It won't change because you dreamed bigger. Most people stay stuck because they chase exciting habits and ignore the boring habits that actually work. Time is not something you lose, it is something you waste. And every second you spend comparing your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20, you are wasting the only life that matters, yours. In Japan, people have practiced tiny habits for centuries, not as trends, but as a way of becoming calm, disciplined, and deeply intentional. Today, I'm sharing 5 Japanese habits that will help you stop feeling behind and start building a life you won't need to escape from by 2026. Stay until the end, because the final habit is the one that turns your past failures into your greatest strength. It's the exact reason most people never become who they know they could be. Habit 1. Kaizen, the 1% rule. Most people try to change their whole life in a single week. They set massive goals, feel overwhelmed, and quit when the motivation fades. But Japan has a solution. Kaizen. It is the habit of improving just one tiny thing every single day. And Kaizen is not about intensity, it's about consistency. Your brain loves easy wins. When you improve just 1% a day, by the end of the year, you are 37 times better than when you started. Stop asking how to change your life and start asking, what is the smallest action I can take today? Habit 2. Ikigai, your reason for being. A lot of adults wake up with a quiet emptiness. Not sadness, just a missing direction. They wake up in reaction mode, checking notifications and letting the world decide their day. Ikigai is your reason for being. It is the crossroads of what you love and what the world needs. Your Ikigai doesn't have to be a big mission, it's a spark. When you wake up with a why, your day has direction. You stop being a passenger and start being the pilot. I want to be real with you. I spent years as a lazy dreamer. I was addicted to easy distractions, avoiding real work because I was afraid of starting imperfectly. I felt behind too, but I realized that starting gives you motivation. Motivation doesn't give you the start. Habit 3. Hara Hachi Bu, mindful balance. In Okinawa, people say a simple phrase before every meal, Hara Hachi Bu. It means eat until you are 80% full. But this habit is about more than food. It's about reconnecting with your body. Most of us live on autopilot, consuming social media and junk food to avoid stress. When you practice the 80% rule, you stop being a slave to your impulses. You choose respect over sacrifice. By 2026, this mindfulness quietly upgrades your health and your discipline. Habit 4. Gaman, quiet resilience. Life is tough, and everyone goes through moments that feel heavy and unfair. Gaman means enduring hardship with patience and self-control. It doesn't mean forcing a smile while you're hurting. It means saying, yes, this is hard, but I won't let this break me. While 90% of people complain about things they cannot control, Gaman teaches you to stay steady when life gets chaotic. It transforms quiet suffering into quiet strength. Habit 5. Kintsugi, healing the scars. This is the most beautiful habit of all. In Japan, when a bowl breaks, they repair the cracks with gold. The broken bowl becomes more valuable because it shattered. Kintsugi teaches you that your cracks are not your weaknesses. The moments that crushed your confidence are the places where your strength grows. You are not behind because you failed. You are becoming something stronger and more beautiful than before. Stop covering your wounds and start filling them with gold. No one will clap while you build discipline in the dark. But in 2026, the results will speak louder than explanations ever could. Which one of these habits are you starting today? Comment the number below and commit to it. Don't scroll away like this is just another video. This is your wake-up call. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to build a stronger version of yourself. Your 2026 self is watching you right now, and they are silently hoping you don't quit on the boring work that changes everything. Start today.